Hello everyone, this is Neelam Sondhya. I'm a software engineering student in International Institute of Professional Studies, DPP Indo. This is my 8th video. Today's topic is clustering, basically the k-mean clustering. There are so many types of clustering, hierarchical, k-mean, but we will learn about k-mean clustering. Okay. K-mean clustering is popular unsupervised learning technique used to group data points into distinct clusters. Means it divide and group the data points into distinct cluster based on their similarity. This method aims to partitioning the data into k clusters, where each data point belong to the cluster with the nearest mean. We will explore its implementation and applications in Python. Okay. So, understanding the algorithm. Initialization. The algorithm starts by randomly selecting k data points as initial cluster or centroids. Okay. Second one, assignments. Each data point is assigned to the cluster with the nearest centroid based on the chosen distant matrix. Update. The centroids are recalculated at the mean of all data points assigned to the clusters and iteration. Step 2 and step 3 are repeated until the clusters until the clusters are formed, and there are so third one is update. The centroids are recalculated as mean of the data points assigned to each clusters. Fourth one is iteration. Step 2 and 3 are repeated until the cluster assigned to stabilized, meaning the centroid of no longer change significantly. Okay, so you can see in the diagram also. Step 1 is initialization, means we start the k, we divide the k means of it, assign, update, and then iterate. Key points of this is centroid. What does the mean by centroid? These present representations represents the center of each cluster. Mean the center of cluster is known as centroid. Calculate is the mean of data points assigned to the cluster. Distance matrix used to measure the similarity between data points and clusters centroids, often evolution distance. Elbow method, a technique for determining the optimal number of clusters k, analyzing within cluster sum of squares of different k values. Cluster evolution metrics measures like Sildon score and Davis Boolean index help assess the quality of clustering results. Python implementation of k-mean clustering is this. The program of Python skeleton cluster import k-mean. We use package of k-mean cluster and package of MakeBolts. You can go through this program and you learn about how does the k-mean clustering is worked through. Okay, we will go to the next slide. The practical applications of k-mean clustering: customer segmentation, image compression, and anomaly detection. Okay, these are the practical application, which means we can use in real life to make it work. Customer segmentation: group customer based on their pursuing behavior, demographic, or other characteristic to tailor marketing strategies. Image compression. Compress images by presenting pixels with similar colors using the same cluster or reducing data size. Anomaly detection. Identifying outliers or unusual data points that are deviated significantly from the normal pattern in datasets. There are the practical applications of k-mean clustering. Now we will go through the advantage and disadvantages of k-mean clustering. So advantages are k-mean clustering is simple to implement and understand, efficient for large data sets, and versatile and applicable to a wide range of problems. But there are also disadvantages. Sensitive to initial choice of centroids, may not perform well with non-spherical clusters or clusters of varying densities, require prior knowledge of the number of clusters. These are disadvantages of it. And the whole conclusion of the topic of k-mean clustering is: k-mean clustering is a valuable tool for data scientists, providing a powerful and efficient approach to grouping data into meaningful cluster, meaning it divides the data. No, it groups the data into k points and which are similar to each other, and understanding through the algorithm, its implementation in Python, and the practical application allow you to actively leverage the technique for various data applications. So this is all about k-mean clustering. Okay, thank you for today. This is all about the topic.